Hello there guys, welcome to the channel. It's Gigi Medina X here. Hello, how is y'all's days going? How is it going? How is it going over there? There on the other side of that screen. How's it going? You good? Good, I hope good. But anyways, welcome. And today's video, I'm going to be doing some bangs, some cute little bangs. Ooh, I'm gonna show you kind of how I do it. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna like section my hair out here a little bit where I would want my bang. I kind of already like brushed a little bit prior, but you know, just kind of with my nails, I don't know. Right now I'm just gonna get most of the chunk away. This I'm gonna leave at front, and then I'm gonna go in with like a rat tail comb and just kind of even it out like this. But yeah, you know, just kind of parting it. Oh, making sure it's all nice. Grab all this side. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Alright, I think it's pretty good parted as I can get. I am not the professional, so. Alright, now just gonna like do this. Beautiful. We're done here. No, I'm just kidding. And then I'm just going to grab some skizzers. And just kind of start kind of chomping at it. Well, not chomping, but cutting at it. I'm just gonna grab like a little piece at a time and just kind of do it like this. See? Just gonna kind of do that all over. But yeah, I decided to give myself some bangs because as you can see, my hair is pretty fried. It's crying for help. Urgh. So I think it's best if I just cut my bangs and cut most of the dead. But yeah, most of the dead off because it's all dead and fried. Goodbye, hair. Sent you to the shadow realm. Goodbye. You served me well, soldier. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue just grabbing little pieces at a time, just kind of chomping at it slowly but surely. You know, it's better to start small than to just kind of go at it and then you can't like correct it. You know what I mean? If you made a little boo-boo, you'll be fine because you can kind of hide it or whatever or whatnot. But I like to start out kind of in small sections at first, small little cuts. So, you know, take it slowly. Safe but surely, or safe and slow, what? I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. You know, slowly but surely. There we go. Okay. Then these pieces, I'm just gonna like kind of twist a little this way. Wait, hold on. Kind of this way. And just kind of cut down a little bit. Like that. I don't know what is going on with this hair. This piece, it's like, whoop! It's like a cow leg. Gnarly cow leg. I don't know how this even happened. I think I took a nap and I woke up and it's like, like this. It's fine. It'll be okay. But yeah, guys, I am not a professional, okay? I hope this turns out good. Let's pray and hope to the hair gods that it turns out okay, or at least cute or decent. But yeah, we'll see. This is just how I'm doing it, how I'm cutting it, you know? But yeah, now I'm gonna go a little bit more up. Like that. You can kind of see my eyes. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared of what's gonna look like after when I'm done. Alright, now I'm just gonna grab pieces like this, you know, do this, and then just kind of start cutting like, kind of like this. Ow. Ow. Like jabbed into my nose. Oh, into my septum. Ow. Oh, and I just got this done too. I think it's been like a few weeks, so it's... Oh, that kind of hurt. I'm gonna grab section. I'm gonna take this side. Okay, it's kind of coming along. Continue along the journey. Oh, oh, oh. But yeah, so like when you're doing this, I'm just gonna like swoop across and then go up like this. So this is what it's looking right now. Honestly, it's quite cute. I hate this though. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. But she looking cute. But yeah, I'm gonna cut a little bit more. It's looking pretty good.
I should have stopped right here. These bangs look cute. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have put the scissors down and not continue cutting.
I'm going to let down my hair and see what we're working with. Okay. Oh, wait, she kind of cute. It's not terrible. I'm gonna try to like style it and see how it looks. So this is the finishing look. This is how I just style it. I don't know. Looks probably a little weird. I'm gonna style it a different way now. So this is the finishing look. I think she's cute. Not perfect, but I might have to fix it a little bit. I did little like clips on the side. Yeah. I think it looks...
Nah, sis. They don't look good. They're so uneven. Horrible,
Alright.
horrible. Nope.
Not terrible. She's okay.
Yes, they are, girl. R.I.P. bangs.
She's okay. So I like did all this. I made my bangs. I kind of shifted like this. I feel like I look like Sam. It's giving Sam.
Well, kind
Kaale.
of.
Did that. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it. Like I feel like an anime character or something when I do this. But yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I was kind of going for like a choppy like bang look. I don't know how to feel about it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.
You thought I was over? Nope. I decided to cut more of my bangs. On to the next clip.
Hello guys. Good morning. It's the next day. So I was thinking, I don't know how to feel about my bangs. I might bring back the V-bangs. There was one point I did V-bangs. I'll show a picture right here. Beautiful. Oh. But yeah, that. Because I don't know how to feel about these. So I'm going to give myself, so scratch everything. Or like normal, I guess, normal bangs. I'm going to give myself some cute V-bangs. I hope this turns out okay. You know, just like a little like Mavis moment. Yes. I freaking love Mavis. I always wanted to have like her hair and stuff. So we shall try to do that today. If you don't know who Mavis is, then, well, I mean, here's a picture. just realized that my bangs are probably too tiny now to even try to do Mavis bangs. So, oops. But I'm gonna try to do like some cute V bangs though. Yeah, let's see how that goes. I don't know. It's not looking too good. I don't know, bro. If I should just do some cute little micro bangs. Micro bangs. But yeah, so I just did a little bit more. Don't mind the Spider-Man shirt. It's my fiance's. I'm living in it. So this is the finishing results. I wonder if I should like split dye it. Like maybe like a red. We'll see. We'll see, y'all.
Here are the finishing results. Not too bad, not too bad. I kind of like how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.